ERIKA SNYDER, Director of Part Sales at Morbark, and I'm here today with Tawa Mulch in Findlay, Ohio, and we are doing comparative grate testing. We're using the 2-inch hex standard grates versus the 2-inch high output grates. He's using the Alpha 3 inserts to do our testing today, and we ran it on 4 different materials.
Well, as a mulch producer, we're always looking for ways to increase our bottom line. When Morbark come to us and was talking about these high output screens, the results were pretty mind-boggling on the increase that we had compared to the standards. There's nothing wrong with the standards. Those are good screens. It's just kind of Morbark made something good, made them great, in my opinion. We did 4 different products today. We did wood chips that pretty much anybody that's in the mulch business gets their hands on, tree chips through hand chippers. We did like a SLAB wood, regrind, bark from sawmills, and then your standard tree debris. And across the board, we had an average of 33% increase from the standards to the high output screens. The first thing I thought in my mind is, why weren't we using them sooner? Is just because there was without even doing time tests, without doing a yardage calculations, there's just a visual noticeable difference of increase of production.
We've seen exactly what we were hoping to see in the testing today. We had about 33% more output than the standard hex grate. A high output grate has, on average, 20% more surface opening when compared to a standard grate. When you have more opening on a grate, you're able to push through more product at a faster rate because of the opening itself and the additional cutting edges. What we've seen in the test today is there's no loss in quality in the end product between the high output grate and the standard grate.
When us mulch producers, you have 8 weeks to get it done. That's really the heart of the season. And if you can do another 110 yards an hour, just at the end of the day, your guys are going home earlier, your overtime's lower, your fuel cost is down, your input cost, they drop. You're not racking up the hours on the machine, and just all around it's more efficient.
By simply changing to Morbark's high output grates, a customer will immediately benefit from an increase in production without sacrificing the quality of the end product. This increase in production comes without incurring additional fuel costs or wear to the machine, all of which lead to higher profits that go straight to the customer's bottom line.